Hi guys! Welcome back to Cantonese. I love Korea. Chinese New Year is coming. How do you celebrate Chinese New Year in your hometown? 行花街、拜年、收利是。Do you think everyone is single like you? Right, and 派利是。Anyway, for me, I just lock my door and keep away from 三姑六婆 and 朋友。Why?
Round 1.
Ask my relationship status. 恭喜發財！拍咗拖未啫？做咩仲唔揾男朋友啊
Round 2.
？Judge my age. 唉，你都唔細啦，咪再拖落去啦。What? Am I really old right now?
Round 3.
Judge my taste. 咪咁高竇啦你，揾個差唔多嘅過人世就得啦。Right, that's how you think of marriage. 乜你哋咁求其㗎？老公唔係是但揾個就得㗎啦。To be honest, I really hate 高竇 this vocabulary. It means snobbish. 過人世 share one's life with your love.
Round 4.
Care about my job. 而家喺邊度做啊？喺屋企咯。哦，咁喺屋企做咩啊？做老師？哦，線上老師，聽講好揾得㗎喎。你幾多錢個月啊？關你咩事喎？So if I earn a lot so that I could buy them a meal or I could take care of them or what? If I don't earn a lot, then they will be very happy or laugh at me behind my back? Is that what they want? So when you think some cousins or friends will be open-minded, but always remember that they have married. 恭喜發財！恭喜發財！幾時到你派利是啫？係時候揾返個男朋友啦。我姑媽個仔嘅朋友呢都係單身㗎，一係我介紹你哋識啦。救命啊！ Do you know his personality? Is he a reliable husband or boyfriend? So I'm here having class on this lovely festival. I'm saying this not because I dislike Chinese traditional festival, but I will feel uncomfortable when relatives and friends ask me these kinds of questions. Why don't we change into another topic of our childhood, how to cook Chinese food, etc. As the Cantonese saying goes, 崩口人忌崩口碗，識做啲啦。So let us along. 喺新嘅一年祝大家虎虎生威，如虎添翼，身體健康，萬事如意，掂個碌蔗。If you like today's video, please give me a like and leave me a comment. If you have the most likes on your comments, you could win a prize of a free Cantonese course with me. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.